Okay, the last step now is to create our function for deleting the post from the database. Let's see how we can do it. So first, let's go back to our file and create the function before we can start adding the code and following the instructions here. So far this is our post manager. We have the function to save our posts and we are calling it here. Okay. For now, I'm going to delete this call and start our new function. Let's call it post delete to follow the same structure. Okay, so I've created a function. Let's see what we have to do. First, we have to receive the parameter ID from get. How do we do that? I'm going to create a post ID variable, but this time it's equal to get. And let's see how we called it in the file. So if we inspect it here, we can see it again, and we can see the parameter is called ID. So let's go back there and say that post ID is equal to get ID. Second thing, we need to connect to the database. How do we do that? Let's get the global connection in here, and our connection is taken care of. So we need now to create a statement to delete the post from the database, from the table. And we only want to delete the post that has the ID received via get. To do that, we'll start our statement as usual, equal to connection, prepare, and again, SQL is pretty much English. Delete from posts where ID. So remember, the first thing after where here needs to be exactly the name of the column on our database. I called it ID. So going back there, where ID is equal to, and then we need a parameter, is equal to column, let's call it ID. If we have a parameter here, we need to bind the parameter like we did before. And actually we can pretty much use the same line. So I'm binding the parameter ID to the variable post ID. But in this case, post ID is equal to get ID. Having done that, we just need to execute. Oops. So statement, execute. And that's it. To make it happen, to make it work, let's just add a call, a direct call here to post delete. And let's test it. So right now, if we check our admin, we have these 3 posts. I'm going to delete number 4. Let's see if that works. Okay, it loaded post manager, send the thing, but no information here. Let's go back to admin. The post is still here, but as I refresh, you can see the post is not there anymore. So now our post manager is deleting the file, the table, the rows on our database. I'm going to refresh here, and you can see I only have 2 posts now. Okay, the problem is Post Manager is going to be used for adding new posts and deleting new posts. So how can we take care of that? We're going to check. So we need to create an if down here. And the question is, are we receiving a parameter via get right now? If we are, at this moment it's going to be a delete. If it's not, it's going to be adding. Remember that when you add a new post, you're not sending anything via get. Okay? So if you remember, we just need an if, and we're going to check if get mode is set. So if get mode is set, we are going to run post delete. Oops. Forgot the single quotes here. Else, it's going to run post save. Okay? To check if this is working, we're going to try two things. So first I'm going to go to post and try to add a new post here. Okay, theoretically it's working. Let's go back to admin. And it is. So our new post is here now. Okay, let's do the other check and see if it is deleting too. Apparently, we go back, we refresh, and yes, the post is gone. So right now, you can add new posts and delete new posts. And basically, this is the end of lesson 5. We're moving on. Next lesson, we are about to finish our blog now.